Welcome back everybody to another video with Willie's Truck Life. Today I'm at one of my relatives and we're going to have a barbecue. So what we're doing today, we're going to do up some a whole chicken, guys. So first I want to cut her down and butterfly it. So let's get it out of the bag. Now, there. So what we're going to do with our chicken, we are going to butterfly it. So I'm just going to cut her down this way, guys. So easy, so simple. And we'll cut it down the other way. And we're going to take out that little bone there, like so. We'll cut that up, we'll throw it to the side. Now we're just going to turn it over. And we're going to do it like a CPR, is that what you call it? We're going to take it out and we're going to push down on it. Like so. Perfect. There. There you go. And that's our butterfly chicken. There. Now, let me go wash my hands. And we're going to come back and start the seasoning. So the seasonings that we're going to use today, guys, we're going to use some lemon pepper seasoning, some salt, some paprika, some garlic powder, and pepper. So let's get to it. So we're just going to take some of this, put it in our hand here. And now we're just going to put it all over the chicken. Oh, that lemon pepper really smells good. A little bit more. Now, we'll go with some salt. Oh, it's a hot day today. And next, pepper. Pepper. All over. And garlic powder. And paprika. Rub it all in. And there we have it. But you know something? I'm going to put a little bit more of this pepper, lemon pepper, because it smells really good. And I'm going to rub that in all over. There we go. Now, I'll be right back. Now guys, we're ready to put our chicken on the barbecue. There, just like that. Perfect. The chicken is still cooking away, guys. I just got to clean off this handle here. You know, handling raw chicken is not a good thing. So guys, let me get rid of this. On the table here, this company called Ranvoo, they sent me out a product to review for my channel. And I want to thank them very much, Ranvoo. It is a Aice Lite Wearable Smart air conditioner. Now I've been trying it out, you know, on days, but Some days were a little bit too windy, a little cool, but today's a hot day to put it on. And let me put it on and I'll show you what it's like. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful little air conditioner. So, here it is, Ranvoo air conditioner. So, we turn on the button here, and I already have it set for the air conditioner. Oh, isn't this beautiful? Whoo! Whoo! So nice, so nice. It's so soothing. It got fans in here, and it can go down to minus 61 Fahrenheit. And you can, on cold days, you can heat it up and everything. But I'll do a full in-depth video on this as we're cooking our meal. Right now, I'm just going to check my the chicken, and we'll see how it is. I have my thing here. So what we want is 72. And right now, it's at 70. So that's almost cooked. Hey? Oh, try the dark meat, she says. Okay, I'll try the dark meat. Right by the bone. Well, it's well over 70. It's well over 70. All right, our chicken is almost cooked. So what we have, we got leftover Jig's dinner, which somebody had the other day. Leftover Jig's dinner, I see carrots and greens and turnips, a bit of beef, potatoes. We're just gonna, I'll be right back, gotta get some oil for the pan. I'm just gonna put some olive oil in the pan here, guys. Mush it all around. And I'm just gonna dump this on the pan. Like so. And we're just gonna mix them up. Well, fix them. So potatoes here, carrots, meat. Oh, smells really good. Greens. They're greens. Oh my God, we're gonna have some feed tonight. They're turnip greens. Oh my, I haven't had them in a while. I'll show you what's on the pan, guys. So this is what's on the pan. We got potato, we got carrots, we got beef, and these are our greens or turnip tops, and a turnip. Potato, oh my. Look at that. Look at that. And that's gonna go with our barbecue chicken, or baked chicken, or, yeah. Now, I'm gonna put the lid on and put it in the barbecue. Okay, let's put this on. We'll move that chicken over. Our chicken to make room for our pan. There. Now we just want to heat up the vegetables. There. Voila. Give it take 10 minutes. Our supper should be done. I tell you, after wearing this Aice Lite air conditioner, personal air conditioner, on a day like this, it keeps you nice and cool. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful little thing. So this is what it looks like, guys. So there is an app for it, and it's on my phone. So you can control the temperature, the air cooling, the the heat, the wind, everything on it. It doesn't put off a lot of noise. It's very soothing, actually. You can lay back on a nice hot day, watch some Willie Truck Life videos, and it's very soothing. Whew. It's really nice. And it comes with, you plug it in to charge up your personal air conditioner. It doesn't put off a lot of noise. It's like a wind soothing noise. I really like it. So if you're interested in purchasing one, I'll leave the link in my description below. Yeah, thank you, Ranvoo, for sending this out to me. I wish I had it a few weeks ago when it was really, really hot when I was cooking. Yeah, it would have really helped. But today, it's a great day to wear it. I love it. I love it. All right, guys, let's check that temperature of the chicken. Well over 72, so that chicken is done. So let's have a closer look. All right, guys, let's have a look at our chicken. Oh, isn't that, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what a nice smell off that chicken. So now we're just gonna remove it from the barbecue. Let's get it off the barbecue and onto the plate. Oh, it looks so good, guys. Barbecue chicken. Look at that. Looks so good. I guess we can turn off this barbecue now. And let's get our vegetables. All right, let's check our leftover Dig's Dinner vegetables. Oh yeah, they're hot. All right, it's time to serve up a plate, guys. All right, some greens. Oh, they look really good. Oh, carrot, potato, a turnip, and a little bit of this beef. Oh, really good. And now, a chicken leg. Oh, just falling apart. Look, really, really good, guys. Look at that. And here you have it, guys. Our barbecue chicken. Our turnip tops, or turnip greens, carrots, potato, and turnip. What a wonderful, wonderful meal this turned out to be. I'm really going to enjoy eating this. So thanks for watching, guys. And yeah, check out the Ranvoo air conditioner, the Lite. I'll have more info on it on another video. So thanks for watching, and have a great day, guys. And there you have it. Cooking the Willie way. Life is good, guys. Peace, guys. Bye, all.